Welcome to Cure Stars. Today we're going to be making an epic explosion with baking soda and vinegar. So you're going to need baking soda in a bag. This is the bag. And you're going to be needing this vinegar. And there's more if you need it. So start with the bag with the baking soda inside. You're going to pour all this vinegar here and see what happens. Oh no, oh no, oh no. It's going to pop, it's going to pop. And wait for it. As you can see, the pressure is building up. So it's going to stand on its own. Wow! You guys should feel this. It's really strong. As you can see, the tiny particles in this mixture will pop. Boom!